Hey guys, Tay from Florida here. I'm at Kennedy Meadows here in California, near Yosemite, and this is one of the rivers, Stanislaus, I think it's pronounced. It runs through the park here. One of the sections of it that has rapids on it. And out here on the trail, a few miles in, and from the main trailhead, came across a bridge that goes across it. What's interesting to point out is you see how much water this is. 2 years ago, this was about dried up. This last year, they had a 200% snowfall rate. So this all is snow melting, which you can't say or can't see from this vantage point here. There is actually snow on top of this mountain here in front of us. From the other side of it to the right of the screen, you can actually see snow on it still, and quite a bit. That's a lot of water. Incredibly gorgeous territory out here.